You already know what time it is. It is time to do some lock maintenance. We're well overdue. You guys, the new growth in here, insane. Complete finger can get through the new growth. It is so time to get this done. I can say the last color that I used though has been holding up very well. Even though I do notice a tiny amount of brown ends peeking through, it is not nearly as much as it was with the blue black dye that I used to use. So very excited about that. That means this color is really long lasting. And what I'm gonna be going in today is with what I used last time, my Dark and Lovely Go Intense in Original Black. I got 3 this time because ran out a little bit last time and I wasn't able to put as much on my scalp as I would have liked. But let me just show you a before because still looks decent. Yeah, but we're doing a full-blown lock makeover today. We're dyeing, we're retying to get ready for the Tiny Locs experience this week. So it's the end of this week. It's Monday, so I want to go ahead and get this done because I have so many other things to do this week. Gotta get this out of the way. And oh gosh, y'all cannot see any parts in there. Goodness. And I retied my edges like 2 weeks ago maybe, and they're already like, what did I say on my video? Adolescent. So yeah, these are not baby hairs, they're adolescent. So let's go ahead and get started. But before we do, if you are new here, my name is Keke J, and I do encourage you to like, comment, and subscribe. We do a little mix of everything over here. We're doing hair, fitness, tech. We're sprinkling a little bit of everything in there, but I do have some long form tech vids on the way, so stay tuned for that. And I'll also be vlogging at the Tiny Locs experience, so make sure you don't miss that vlog. That'll be out next week. But let's get into it. Oh my goodness, so excited to be dyeing and retying my hair. I'm just showing you the products inside and we'll get into it. Some gloves on the back. These are the instructions. Very simple. I'm just gonna mix number 1 into number 2, shake it up, and we'll start applying. Also gonna be using some hair bows to separate my hair. And we're just gonna put her into 4 different sections, 2 at the top and 2 at the back. You know how we do it. It's routine by now. But y'all, I'm so excited to be back on the channel. I've missed you guys. I'm just so excited about this retie. Okay, hair is all put away. Gonna go ahead and mix number 1, but I actually have my own gloves because those gloves can get a little big, but I will use those as backup. Now let's go in with the dye. I'm mixing number 1 into number 2, making sure to squeeze all of that product out. And then I'm gonna take that little cap off the top and then screw it on and shake it till it is completely mixed. And now I'm just gonna take a section in the back, about 3 rows of locks, and then apply the product. I usually start right below the root and make sure the complete strands are saturated all the way to the ends, and just going back and making sure I put however much I need because we need her fully dyed. And then after that, I will go in with the roots. This is hands down my favorite dye, and this is only my 2nd time using this dye. And this is because it's not extremely messy, even though, you know, you will see black dye around the perimeter of my head. I didn't line it with Vaseline or anything like that, so that's my fault. But it's really good with rinsing out. It doesn't really stain long term. Same thing with my nails, and the application is pretty easy. It's not super thick and it's not super runny, so I do like that as well. And I feel like it's able to coat my strands very nicely. And I think this was about $6.99 a box at my local beauty supply store, but don't worry, I'll link all of the products that I use below in the description so you can check those out if you're interested. But yep, just going on the roots here. This dye also, you know, didn't cause me any irritation or anything like that. I just really like it. It gives like a natural black, and here I am on the second bottle, so I am actually really glad that I got 3. But yeah, it feels great, no issues whatsoever, and it just looks natural and voluptuous. I love it, and this is the one I will continue using. But I need you to take a second and look at the length that I am pulling through these strands. Hello? Look at that length. I am pretty much at bra strap now, okay? The goal has been met. She's reached. I had to do a little dance. But that's how the back is looking. We're moving on to the front. And I haven't hit that 3rd bottle yet. So this is exactly what I needed. If you have as much hair as me or even more, definitely no less than 3, okay? You need to completely saturate your head if that's what you're going for. But yeah, we're just moving on up. Progress is great. It took me maybe about an hour to apply the dye because I was really taking my time. Well, shoot, did it take an hour? It wasn't no more than an hour, I can tell you that. And when I say an hour, I mean the application as well as waiting 30 minutes. So maybe a little over an hour for the entire process. But now that I'm done, I'm using my little plastic bag because I forgot to get more plastic bags. And y'all, I was right in the hair store. What the world? Okay, the color has finished processing. It's been a little over 30 minutes. I was taking care of something. Ooh, she's jet black. I need to go ahead and get this out, but my hair is so warm after being in here. This is how she is looking. I'm about to hop in the shower, wash her out, and then I will come back to y'all with how it looks after that's done. Okay, we're jumping straight into the retie. Y'all, look at that color. My roots are vibrant again. The cool thing is I don't see much of a difference on the locks, but it's because it did not fade as much last time, and I'm so happy about that. But get into the length. You saw her, but I'm going in with my interlocking tool, my rat tail comb, and a new product. Hello, the lock booster for locks. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. I saw it on the shelf and said, let's give this a try because I like Edge Booster, but I haven't seen that one. And y'all, I love how it felt. It's got a great hold and it's so moisturizing. I'm not even playing. You'll see my scalp in just a second. But I don't know. I used the Jamaican black castor oil natural oil, and I do feel like it's a little different than the original avocado twist and paste. They told me that it's going to be restocked, but I'm not sure when because I still haven't seen it back in stock unless that has changed by the time you see this video. But I like the OG better than the Jamaican black oil one, I believe. And also when I used that last time, it kind of got a little soapy, if that makes sense, like a little suddy. I don't know. Am I the only one who experienced that? But I still do like the product. I just don't like it as much as the original natural avocado twist and paste. But gotta say, this one here, I love natural, but this one might take the cake for me. Y'all, it has been, I did my retie on Monday/Tuesday, and it is Friday night, and I still have hold. No frizz, nothing is sticking out. Like, this might be the product that I use. And it's actually the next day because it was pretty late. It was a busy day and I was tired. So we're up on the front now and I'm cleaning up my parts. Y'all know I like them crispy. And I'm being as gentle as possible. But look at the shine that this gel is giving. It is insane. I haven't experienced any buildup. I'm pretty sure that's a question that you guys have. But we're 5 days in. I haven't experienced any just yet. But I will keep you guys updated. But I am doing the 2-point rotation. When I'm in the front, I go from, if I'm looking at it directly, so we're going west to east and then north to south. That's what I do until I am completely done. And I believe I got about maybe 3.5 rotations. And some of them, like I said earlier, I had a lot of new growth. I was able to put my fingers straight through there. But yeah, about 3 rotations. Sometimes I got 4 depending on how much new growth there was. And as you can see there, I like to wrap my flyaways around my lock before I lock it as well as after. Sometimes it'll come loose during the rotation, so I'll just wrap it right back up. I've had some people ask me what to do about the frizz. What did I do to have mine kind of disappear? And honestly, I didn't do anything. That's just a part of the locking process. My frizz started disappearing around after the year mark. I gotta say, maybe around the 14 to 16 month mark. I actually missed the frizz because that's where I had a lot of volume. But let us take a moment and rejoice in these parts. My goodness, did y'all see the crispiness and that moisture? I still feel the moisture to this day. And I gotta say, I truly believe that this product makes my parts even more crispier than the natural oil. I'm sorry, natural oil, I love y'all to death. I do. I'm just gonna have to do a side-by-side comparison because natural oil, you ain't going nowhere. But I definitely say this is gonna be a new product that's in rotation for sure. It just gives a really good hold without being crunchy or dry. Y'all know I love some good moisture, and it's so moisturizing. I can say though, a little slight negative, but not enough to make me stop using it, is that how it feels on your hands after you get going for a little bit does feel kind of weird. But I was able to get past that real quick because look at that shine. But y'all see the parts versus the not so parted part right here. But we're just going in with the product, lining it up, and my middle part, I like to get that as straight as I can. As straight as I can, and then we'll go in and start doing the rest. And I do have more detailed retightenings on my channel, so I did link the playlist below for you that shows all of my retightenings. I have so many at this point, but yeah, I go into more detail about figuring out which way to go and which way you shouldn't go, so be sure to check those videos out. But this is pretty much just a, sit with me, retie. Let's try out this new product. I'm loving everything about it. And yeah, being that I waited so long to do my retie, it was over 2 months this time, because sometimes I just like to go that long, and then plus this event with the Tiny Locs experience was here and I wanted it to look fresh. But it took maybe a little over 8 hours this time. And the moment you all been waiting for, the results. Y'all look at the length. Oh my goodness. We are literally right there at bra strap. I'm not even playing with you. You see this length, this hang time. We are 4.5 years in at this point, and I am just in disbelief. Like, I cannot believe I have self-maintained my locks. I started them myself. They've grown here. This is the longest my hair has been, probably since I was a kid, and the healthiest. Look at her. I saw a couple pieces of lint in there, so I had to go pick those out. But oh my goodness, I just cannot. I'm definitely beyond proud of myself for having such patience and just going through this journey. Of course, she's not done. Oh my gosh, look at that crispiness. But y'all have to try this product. I'm not even playing. But if you made it this far, I really appreciate you for tuning in. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.